Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you another Dollar Tree haul. So Dollar Tree has been putting out some amazing new finds and I am so excited about this haul because we're going to be doing some more DIYs next week and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. At the end of this video I'm also going to share with you guys a really fun giveaway. I want to spoil one of you guys and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So my first top pick of today is going to be this super adorable cross. So this cross is white, so it goes perfectly with Farmhouse and Shabby Chic. I also love that it says Grace across the top. Now this was the only one that I found at my Dollar Tree in the white, but they did have a gray and I believe kind of like a shabby aqua blue. And it looks to me like maybe the Grace is a little bit lopsided, but it kind of made me laugh because I think Grace is like that. I need grace, everybody needs grace. I'm gonna put this right next to my coffee maker, and so just to remind me to give myself grace and to also have grace for others. So this is my top find for the Dollar Tree for this week. My next find that I was super excited about was this old Williamsburg Pure Leaf tea candle. I love this. Now I'm going to be doing some DIYs in my kitchen next week in kind of like a French farmhouse style, and so I thought this would be perfect for one of those DIYs or just to burn. And I love candles and I really love the smell of this. I love that it's this nice neutral gray color with the little silver lid, so I'm really loving that one. The next one that I was really excited about, and they only had one of these, was this cute little magnetic fridge pad, and it has lemons on it. If you guys can tell, next week I'm going to do some lemon themed decor. With summer coming up, I really want to give my kitchen this fresh kind of a citrus feel. So those are going to be some of the DIYs. I just have so many things to share with you guys. I cannot wait. So anyway, this is just a magnetic list pad. It has the little yellow and white stripes with the cute little lemons at the top. Another really amazing find that I was so excited about. I have been looking for these for some time now. You guys know that I am terrible at doing letters, and so I found these in the poster board section, and they are repositionable on foam board poster board letters. So how awesome is that? So that means you guys can pull them back up if you mess up your project and reposition them. Who needs that? Number one, letters are hard for me, and number two, these are really nice. They're already done. I think they'll lend itself really great to doing some really fun little DIY projects. So I got the letters, and let's see, they're repositionable, removable on painted surfaces and walls, which is really great. Whoops, okay, here's what I was looking for. There's 56 of these letters on here. So anyway, I was super excited to find those. Along with the letters, I also found some numbers. So it looks like these are also repositionable. There's 30 characters. Goes on, stays on, and removes cleanly. So how awesome is that? So really we could just number and letter up our walls, or really whatever we want to do. So super excited to find those. We did a beach coastal decor set of DIYs on some of my last videos, and you guys did see these, but I found 5 lemons at the Dollar Tree. Now these lemons are large, they're very realistic, and I was super excited to find them. Now I did have a viewer comment and tell me that you guys can buy a package of lemons at Walmart for about $2. So it kind of burst my bubble because I was so excited to find these. I've been looking for lemons at the Dollar Tree. I have a project in mind I cannot wait to share with you. I don't know if you guys have been to Michael's, but Michael's put out this really beautiful set of grapevine lemon decor with swags and wreaths and all these beautiful things, and I really wanted one, but it was like $60, so not paying that. So we're going to do some DIY lemon stuff coming up very soon. I'm super excited about that. So along with these lemons, you guys can see I went ahead and grabbed 2 black plates from the Dollar Tree. So this is probably a huge surprise for you guys because I don't decorate with a ton of black. But for this theme, for my farmhouse chic cottage French farmhouse, just whatever you all want to call it, I really want to go for some really clean lines with some pops of citrus color. We'll see how it all goes, you guys, but I do want to share these DIYs with you guys. I've had them floating around in my brain for a while, so I want to bring them to life, and I hope you guys are going to love it. So along with some of these farmhouse touches that we're going to use, I also thought, well, in the kitchen, we also need some linens. So if you guys saw my kitchen linen collection, you would be so ashamed of me. My kitchen linen collection is really bad. So we needed some new dish towels anyway. So I went ahead and picked up some of these dishcloths from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 to a pack. They're white with little black lines through them. And I also got a black towel and a white towel. I thought these would be really nice. I'm not completely for sure how I'm going to use them, but I am going to use them some way. So the washcloths, though, definitely will probably just be used to wipe down counters or to put in a display basket. You guys just never know with me. So the next thing that I found that was awesome was this placemat, and the placemat says live, love, and eat. So I really liked how cute it was, how simple it was. I think this is going to make some amazing kitchen decor, DIY. I cannot wait to share what we're going to do with this, you guys. So I'm super excited about that. So if you guys are DIYing along with me, I'm not for sure if that's a word, but hey, I also picked up 3 of these little garlands. They're 4-foot garlands. You find them at the Dollar Tree. They have kind of like this heart-shaped leaf on them. So I picked up 4 of these because I want to create something spectacular with this. Okay, the other little thing that I found is Dollar Tree does carry these wall creations is what they're called. And this one says, love is patient, it's kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it's not easily angered. And it's from Corinthians 13. And recently I have been going through some things in my life that I just really feel like I need this reminder on a daily basis. So I want to DIY this somehow and put it in my kitchen for me to see every day. Probably by my coffee maker or close to my fridge or pantry, but I want to do something special with this. So I do have a couple of random things that I grabbed at the Dollar Tree. These were in the automotive section. I grabbed some of their jute twine. It comes in with 3 rolls of jute twine in the automotive section. I know that they were selling it during Easter, and I think they were only selling 1 roll, and I did end up having to grab 1 roll out of the Easter section just because my automotive section has been out forever, but they finally got it back in. I went ahead and grabbed it because these are amazing for DIYs. We can use them in spring, summer, they're great for fall and even winter. So grab some of that if you have a chance and you need some. I also grabbed this poly rope. It's 50 foot. To be totally honest with you, I have no clue how I'm going to use this, but I saw it and I thought it might be great for DIYs, especially if we're doing kind of this crisp, clean farmhouse idea for my kitchen. So any hoozy doozy, that's what I did for that. I also did pick up one of their burlap ribbons. This is the wired burlap ribbon. I did grab the one without the lace this time because they were out of the one with lace, so I knew I would probably use this some way, somehow. The other thing I did pick up, which was kind of just another utility item, were some of these command strips. So I know that the Command brand works the best. I went ahead and grabbed these. That way I can randomly hang wreaths, greenery, swags, whatever I need to, whenever I want to. And I do know that these peel off your walls better than the cheap brands, from what I've been told. So I only try to use the Command strip brand. So when I saw my Dollar Tree had these, I went ahead and grabbed these. The other thing I picked up from my Dollar Tree was 2 dry erase boards. Now I'm almost thinking that these would make a cute sign. I also might use them just like this and do a DIY on them this way. I'm not totally for sure, but I thought for kitchen decor they were a great shape. So I grabbed those. The other thing I picked up were some of their Dollar Tree glue sticks. I ran out of the glue sticks. I'm actually going to be ordering them in a big box on Amazon, but I have this really bad problem of running out of glue sticks and not having any, so I just went ahead for $1, picked up $20. It's probably not the best deal, but when you're a crazy crafter and you're out of glue sticks, it's almost like an emergency. So I wanted to have these just to kind of stash or even hide from myself. I don't know, comment and let me know if you guys do that. So also I wanted to share with you guys my Dollar Tree scarf. I showed this to you guys on my last haul. I'm really loving it. I feel like it gives a nice little pop of color to this outfit. Okay, you guys, so here is my outfit of the day. I just have on this white kind of longer tunic top. I have it knotted right here on the side just to kind of give it, I guess, a little bit of visual interest. And then I have this Dollar Tree scarf. Now I think I'm going to cut the tassels off. You guys help me. Should I cut the tassels off? I feel like they're a little distracting. I think it would be cuter without the tassels. Now if I go out and about, I'm either going to put a sweater on or just like a little jean jacket. And then I have this on with my comfy black leggings. And then I have neuropathy in my feet, so I just have these Crocs shoes. I think they're really cute. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm not for sure why I can't get these in, but here's what those look like. I don't know. I think they're really cute for like orthopedic shoes. There we go. So there we are. I just have on black leggings. You know me, a comfy top. I have on my little Walmart earrings. I found this bracelet at the thrift store. It's just like a little silver bracelet. And then my ring is actually from Walmart as well. It was $8. Anyway, this is just like my travel ring. It was $8 at Walmart. It's kind of tarnished underneath, but I like to use it when I go places. That way I don't lose my regular wedding ring. Anyway, another thing I grabbed was the Dollar Tree wooden contact paper. I think these are great for DIYs. I also might use them as shelf liner in my kitchen. My kitchen needs some help. It needs the paint touched up. It needs the like when you go and open my cabinets, the shelves that my pans are on, I've really created quite a mess, and so it's just real kind of rough and icky, and so I might just actually be using this shelf liner for its intended purpose. So we will see. The last thing I picked up was this cute little notebook. It says Inspire. It has these cute little turquoise and white stripes on it, or aqua, but my daughter loves to kind of write in journals, and I just thought it would be a really sweet treat for her for this week. And I also picked her up these hair barrettes. They come in a pack of 8. I felt like they had really nice colors. There were 2 black, 2 dark gray, and then several lighter gray colors. So anyway, I'm gonna give those to her and surprise her with those. So excited to do a little giveaway for you guys. I have a couple of really fun little items that I think you guys will enjoy. And for the first one, I wanted to include in the giveaway a really wonderful little sweet treat. And that is one of these beautiful cupcakes from my sweet friend Rhonda at Rhonda's Rose Cottage Design. These are so fun to add into your home decor. Along with that, I had to add another little sweet treat, and that is this cute little donut trinket jar from the Dollar Tree. I just love this one. It is the pink donut, so I hope to spoil you guys with this. It makes a great little ring holder or whatever treasures you want to put inside. Along with that, we're going to do some home items. So I wanted to share with you all this Mrs. Meyer's room freshener. You guys know I love Grove Collaborative. I actually have a 5-piece coupon code below if you guys want to try their products. It's a 5-piece free gift set with a $20 purchase. So, but I am going to include the Mrs. Meyer's peony scent. This is just so delicious. I think you guys are going to love this. So this is their room freshener. I love to use it on my curtains, on my bedding, just wherever. And so for the next fun thing, I showed you guys one of these last week, and this is one of those notepads that says make it happen. I love it. It's cute. It's pink, and you guys can just jot down some notes. So that will be super fun. The other thing I wanted to include, because I know some of you guys couldn't find a lot of the Dollar Tree signs, and that is this cute little bunny welcome sign. So I just want to share this with one of you guys, including in this giveaway. And then the other thing is I wanted to share with you guys some wonderful new cleaning gloves. These are the Grove Collaborative cleaning gloves. These are amazing. They're super soft and they're super strong, and I think you guys are gonna love these. The other thing is this amazing replaceable head walnut scrubber sponge brush thingy. And then for you guys to put all of your little goodies on, I have this really cute little pink love tray. So I thought you guys might enjoy that. I just have been shopping for a while for you guys, and so I have been really excited to spoil someone. So definitely comment below and let me know, what is your absolute all-time top favorite thing that you guys have found at the Dollar Tree? Whether that be flossers, toothpaste, home decor, comment and let me know what is your favorite thing that you cannot resist buying at the Dollar Tree. Maybe it's candy. I'd love to hear what you guys like to buy. You guys know I'm a total Dollar Tree obsessed junkie, so definitely let me know what you guys love. Also, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, so give this video a like if you guys like Dollar Tree hauls. You guys know me, I love shopping at the Dollar Tree. So I just want to thank you guys, each and every one of you that is here. I am completely blessed. I pray for you guys. I hope to love on you guys. I thank you for your comments and just the fact that you guys love to pop on here and do some fun and crazy DIYs with me is super amazing. I have some really fun things coming up for you guys next week that I cannot wait to share with you guys. Honestly, if I could do videos every day, I totally would. But so anyway, thank you guys so much. I love you. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
That I love you.